Formax presents the FD346 Desktop Touchscreen Document Folder. The Formax FD346 Desktop Document Folder is accurate, dependable, and easy to use. Ideal for small to mid-sized businesses, schools, and churches looking for quick and easy setup and operation. The FD346 is one of the first manual set folders controlled by an intuitive touchscreen display. The FD346 folds documents at speeds of up to 15,500 sheets per hour and can process sheets up to 12 by 18 inches. Its drop-in feed system has a capacity of up to 500 sheets, with 3 feed tires for accurate, consistent feeding. The unique patented telescoping conveyor can be extended out to hold up to 500 folded documents. The FD346 features easy set fold plates with pre-marked fold settings, the Formax Auto Batch mode, a 6-digit resettable counter, and a simple-to-use touchscreen interface. Setting up the FD346 is simple and it takes just minutes. First, lift the infeed tray extension until it latches into place, then install the telescoping conveyor tray. Next, install the upper fold plate. Match the pins on the inside of the folder with the notches on each side of the fold plate. Slide the fold plate in until it locks into place. Install the lower fold plate with the same process. The fold plates are clearly marked with 6 common fold settings for 11-inch, 14-inch, and 17-inch documents. In addition, they can easily be adjusted to create custom folds. To adjust the fold settings, simply squeeze the fold stop clamp. Slide the stop to the desired position and release. The fine-tuned knobs at the end of each fold plate can be used for precise adjustment to the fold stop position. To load paper, lift the infeed tray lever and load the paper stack under the feed tires. Switch the power on and press the one-time button to test one sheet for inspection. Adjust the fold plates if needed. With the fold set, press the green start icon. To stop, press the red stop icon. To reset the counter at the end of the run, press the reset icon next to the counter display. The Auto Batch program is used to process a set of documents with a delay between each set for easy handling. To access this mode, press the blue icon located at the bottom center of the screen. In the Auto Batch screen, you can select the number of sets, the number of sheets in each set, and the delay between each set. With the settings entered, press the green Start icon to begin processing. To exit Auto Batch, simply press the blue Home icon. The FD346 also includes a cross-fold guide for feeding folded documents through the folder a second time for additional folding. Fold the sheets in half, then place the folded documents back into the feeder, attach the cross-fold guide, select the next fold, and press Start. In addition, an optional multi-sheet feeder is available for folding up to 4 stapled or unstapled sheets at the same time. The Formax FD346 is proudly made in the USA and is built to last, constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame and molded high-impact side covers. The FD346 offers an unmatched ease of operation with its intuitive touchscreen interface, making it ideal for small to mid-sized businesses, churches, and schools.